See, we know some of the derivatives, and according to that we can find the anti-derivatives of the functions. So derivatives here, for log x, derivative is 1 upon x. So accordingly, integral of 1 upon x, as integral is exactly what? Antiderivative. So integral of 1 upon x will be log x plus a c will be there, right? Then if we have 1 upon ax plus b dx, then its integral is log of ax plus b divided by the derivative of this a plus c, and with the condition that the function must be what? Linear, and function must be algebraic. So it is linear algebraic. We can write it 1 upon x log of x divided by derivative of this function, that is a here. For example, then its integral is log of 2x minus 3 upon 2 plus c. Then some more derivatives we know, like exponential e to the power x, derivative is e to the power x. Same way, integral of e to the power x, that is for this it is ex plus c. A to the power x, where a was what? A was any constant. So a to the power x into log a. That is the derivative of a to the power x. 5 to the power x, 5 to the power x into log 5. So a to the power x integral. Now this log a is constant, we can take its cross multiply. So log a can be here. So integral of ax will be ax divided by log a plus c. On the basis of this, we have some example, that is e to the power 3x integral, that is e to the power 3x upon 3 plus c. e to the power 2x square minus 5, that is e to the power 2x square minus 5 upon derivative of this is 4x plus c. And now see, this concept is wrong. That is because with the same condition, that if any function, so here also it is same, this function must be what? Linear algebraic function. So this function is not linear function, so we cannot integrate it like this. Suppose we have e to the power sin x, integrate, that is e to the power sin x divided by, for sin x derivative is cos x plus c, and this concept is wrong. Reason being, this function is not algebraic function, this is a trigonometric function. Now how to do these functions? A function is this, a function is this, that we'll discuss later. For now you just understand that this function e to the power or a to the power, whatever, it must be a linear algebraic, so we cannot integrate it this way, right? Just note it down.